Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today we're making pumpkin pie. Let's do it. Pumpkin from the can. You can use roast fresh pumpkin, but the can is good too. In a big can of this pumpkin mix, we'll make 2 pies, 4 eggs in a bowl. Beat the eggs up. Cup of brown sugar. Cup and a half of heavy cream. Get that in there. Pumpkin puree in there. Pumpkin spice, which is cinnamon, half a teaspoon or so. Touch of nutmeg, not a lot. Get everything all mixed up. Well, preheat your oven at 400. Make sure that's well mixed. Make sure your pie shells are at room temperature. Pumpkin filling in here. And of course, we still need the shield for the crust, because it could burn. Okay, we toss our pumpkin pie in the oven. And I did put them on a pan just in case, because they shouldn't bubble over, but they might. Leave it like that. Sheet pan underneath, and it's perfect. Into the oven. Let it go for 15 minutes. So with the pie, I just turned the oven down, but I left covers on for a bit, and then eventually we'll take them off. Yeah, so turn it down to 350, and we're gonna do that for about 35, 40 minutes until the center is cooked. And I'm gonna keep the covers on for a bit. So the domes are ready to come off, so about 20 minutes left. Ooh, they're looking good. All right, take them out. Okay, domes off, take the pie out. Pie is definitely done. We'll let the pie cool off and then we'll enjoy some lovely pie. Look at the lovely pumpkin pie. Let's give our pumpkin pie a try. Throw a bit of whipped cream on top. So good. Definitely better than store-bought. So good. Very creamy and a very light pie. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, love ya. And when you get a chance, do make some lovely pumpkin pie. And doing all those things really helps out my channel. When you like, subscribe, and comment, what it does is YouTube sends the video out to more people. So if you do that, that really helps. This is my dessert. Bye.